So just a little bit of a corridor here. In terms of before you came on this journey to San Fran, kind of what were your thoughts or expectations or hopes? And even concerns, to be honest.
Yep, I was really, I suppose, hope to come here and have a look at what's really going on in the world in terms of what the platform looks like at the moment. I know we can't sort of plan on for the jobs that are coming on in the future so much, but I wanted to see what skill set the kids needed to have and how that might relate to us at school.
Cool. And in terms of what you've seen to date this week, what are the highlights for you?
Highlights, most of the speakers have been awesome. The highlights, probably in terms of the speakers as well as the quality of motivation for what they've been doing. It's not around money, it's not about anything else, it's about making a change for communities, for the country and everything else. So in terms of that was been the highlight for me, is that they've all started with this theme of empathy for things, or kindness and those kind of things, those values that Māori have and we take our pride in. They have them here as well, and they're built on those in terms of having technology and everything else and the choices that they made. So
during the week you said something about you experienced some quite good teaching techniques, but you kind of thought that we do a lot of this stuff at home anyway.
Yeah, I was looking at the whole practice, the teaching pedagogy, they're sort of like their philosophy on how they teach, and they're moving towards a more thematic kind of teaching process, which is really awesome.
More open plan, is that right?
Open plan, giving students the chance to explore learning rather than force feeding students with a whole lot of knowledge, which they don't need. They don't need knowledge anymore. All they need is the skills to go out and find that knowledge.
Right,
I think some of those things we need to take back and look at perhaps changing the pedagogy, the teaching philosophy of some of our teachers as well.
So, everybody has said that this trip has been amazing, has been awesome. I've met really amazing people, has been very inspirational.
Yeah.
So what are some of the challenges you think in terms of going forward, taking the stuff back home?
There's not a huge challenge, because I think our education system is quite flexible. The challenge will be convincing probably parents and the community that this is a good way to focus. This is the pathway that
STEM,
we want to. Yeah, exactly. And the science, technology, engineering, kind of mathematics, all that kind of stuff is a teaching philosophy. It's the focus for the rest of the world, and I think it's about trying to alter parents and teachers and communities' ideas of what success is.
Kia ora, brother.